Today in this video I will show you how to install root in any GSI ROM. So in this video I just work very hard on this video because all you all requesting me to make this video. So finally I make this video for you. If you are new to my channel, then I suggest you subscribe my channel because this kind of videos I daily upload. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to go into WRP recovery and the download link of root file or uninstall root file in the description box. You can download easily. Thank you for supporting me and more videos coming soon. So stay tuned. This root file only root your GSI ROMs like Lineage, Havoc OS or CrDroid AOSP GSI Rom or AOSP GSI Rom or different ROMs. If your mobile is stock, like your mobile, you cannot root your stock ROM. Just you can root your GSI ROM, all GSI ROM. So first of all, we have to go in to install button. We have to click on install and select where you copy your files. I only select my. I already copy in SD card. That's why I select SD card. You can see this. Now go where you copy your files folder. Now you can see this latest installer.zip. This is the root file and uninstaller.zip. This is the uninstalled root zip. If you want to remove root in GSI ROM, then you will install this. After uninstall, if you uninstall root, then you will flash uninstall.zip. If you want to install root, then you will install latest installer.zip. Okay, let's focus. Now you can see this latest installer.zip. If you want, just we have to flash this file, installer latest installer.zip. You can see this. And just we have to flash, swipe to confirm flash. You can see this latest installer.zip. Just we have to swipe to confirm flash. You can see this script successfully result, updating partition data done. Just we have to click on reboot system and we have good to go. Just this is a very simple step. Just first of all, we go to TWR recovery and then select internal storage or SD card where you copy your files. Then just click on installer zip if you want to root your mobile, and if you want to uninstall the root file, then you just click on install root.zip. Now I can show you root is installed or not installed in this mobile. Just we have to click on root checker. Root checker tell you the root is installed in your not installed in your mobile. Just we have to click on verify root. Congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. This means that root is successfully installed in your mobile. If your mobile is not spotted by this or super user zip file, then you will try this latest installer.zip file. Then your mobile will successfully install root in your mobile. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then I suggest to subscribe my channel. So goodbye, thank you.